What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a pier fishing video, so that way I don't think any of my friends can make it. And I know what you're thinking right now, since you haven't seen any vids with me and my friends. You probably think I don't have any friends, but I have friends. Yeah, you'll see them probably on the next action of the waves is going to be big. But on the spearfishing videos, the one I just had, apparently there was all this nice footage, but I didn't I saw this crazy lobster, but apparently the camera was too high and I just didn't see it. So, but I'm just telling you, I'm not bringing I have 7 rods. I'm only bringing 3. I have this little micro rod for sabiki. I have these. This is a Shakespeare rod, 7 foot, and this is just a random rod, 7 foot. And then this one has the Pen Pursuit 3 on it, and this one I don't even know. I'm just gonna go to the pier, try to catch a mackerel, because believe it or not, my grandparents like to eat mackerel, and I'm seeing them this weekend at Lake Arrowhead, where I hopefully will be making a video of hopefully me catching something, if I hopefully catch something. But yeah, so I gotta catch more mackerel. Croaker would be nice too, you know, get some croaker. Yeah, see you there. What's up, guys? Here with Braden at the pier. Usually when we're at the pier, nowadays since mackerel are back, we usually ask someone for their mackerel. Braden seems to be on a piece of airheads because right now it seems a little slow. We don't have any mackerel. I'm going out on sabiki and Braden's got an airheads extreme on. Braden just fell off, you idiot. Oh my gosh. Alright, it fell off as he casted, but tell you if we get anything, which you probably will. I'm just going for some bait fish. Just got that's a smelt. Holy crap, that's a huge smelt.
No, it's not. That thing's tiny.
That's a big smelt. What do you mean?
It's not that big.
Yeah, we're keeping that.
Sure. Whatever you say.
Let's go. Got this little guy. Braden wants to murder. I want it for live. I want it for live. Come on.
It's a baby, dude.
It's so good for live halibut.
No, it's a baby.
No! Braden! Stop, please. Stop.
I'll throw your smelt.
No, Braden! Stop! You're such a food. Just
No!
get away from my fish.
No!
Get
I just
away
came
from my fish. Come on!
Stop.
Don't! You're gonna kill it. I'll catch more. Do you see how fast I got bit? Braden.
I need it for live!
Stop, actually.
Do you want me to catch a Mondo Hal? Okay, fine, I'll throw him back.
No, you're not. Dude, stop. What are you doing? What are you actually doing? What are you doing? Stop, Braden.
Give me it!
Braden.
Give me it!
Braden, freaking stop.
No!
You evil. Give me my... Dude, stop.
What am I going to use as bait?
Braden caught a smelt.
I can grab it.
Oh yeah. The day's getting faster. We're using smelt on our sabiki because we don't have any mackerel. But yeah.
I think we're going to fillet this guy up.
Yeah. We're not sure of that. Actually, dude.
That's how...
It didn't even die. Oh my gosh, Braden. Alright, this guy's on. No, he's not. He's just on someone's line. Dude, oh my gosh. You're supposed to
We'll just leave him.
No, what? Just kill him for no reason? Oh, Braden.
We'll just let him die in freshwater.
We got another smelt.
It's smaller than all the
This
others.
smelt right here. Just kidding. It's a lure. We just got it to mackerel, and then everything will be on the way. Now we have, someone gave us some shrimp. So I got my pamper suit out with Carolina Regal shrimp. Hoping to catch
Shrimp?
squid, sorry. Hoping to catch some mackerel so my grandparents can eat it because they like it. But
Why are you going out?
I'm just trying out here.
It's not good out there.
It's different every time. Wait, if it's not a smelt, tell me, but this guy would be good bait. Alright, see ya. Yeah, I'm just gonna.
If you hear that, hold this and set the hook as hard as you can and then start.
Lessons by Braden. Apparently that fish was a jack mackerel, so.
No, it was not.
Oh wait, no, not jack mackerel, I mean
Spanish.
Spanish mackerel.
Don't touch that.
So, we casted it out live, and then I have my shrimp out right here, and then my sabika. Someone caught a baby leopard shark on worms. That's so cool.
What's your fingers, boy?
Tiny little fella.
So
We might have.
I just told Ant he had a fish on and he started reeling.
No, we didn't.
I know we have a fish on.
Snag.
We're not snagged, dude. I can see the freaking weight. Right there, look, you can see the
Yeah,
weight.
and I just saw my fish. What the heck?
Where?
Oh.
What? You just ripped the fish off!
Wasn't a fish.
That was a fish, dude. I saw it.
I saw
Your
it.
line just started. It was like.
We were on someone's line or a rock.
heck?
I saw our bait.
Two calico!
On a sabiki.
Two freaking calico on a sabiki, dude.
Oh my gosh.
How do you? I've never even caught
Here,
a calico.
stop. Hey,
Never
look,
even
these
seen
are
one.
my fish, Braden.
Hey,
Why are you
I'm
always
unhooking him.
No, stop.
How do you catch? Oh my god! How do you catch this red stuff?
I got.
Were you just letting it sit out there?
No, I thought it wasn't out. No.
They cost like $2.
Ow,
They're pretty cheap.
dude. I just caught 2 calico on a sabiki. No, gonna use him for a while.
Sit down by. Wait. No, he's not snagged. Reel, go. Hold it up, hold it up. Oh, he's on the mondo. No, wait, no, we're gonna make this like the center of the video.
Stop.
Like, go like this.
Do not hold my phone over the edge. Get away from the edge. Food. Braden insists.
Braden,
My
wait, do you want me to kill it?
want to eat
Oh.
it. Yeah, my grandparents like mackerel.
No! Sorry!
So dumb. You are so dumb. I'm not letting you hold my fish again. At least you're making good content. Mackerel by Braden. Mackerel.
Not a jack. Remember what it was called?
I mean, Spanish mackerel. Yep. And I'm letting Braden use it as I bake. But we got
It's
measure.
definitely.
So we're heading out. Say it was a good day. Caught 4 Spanish mackerel, 4 smelt, 1 mackerel, and 2 calico. And Braden caught, I'm pretty sure, 5 smelt, 2 mackerel, and 1 calico. So good day. Please like and subscribe if you like the video.